This is LCE graphics in reference to the motor replacement of your unit gearbox for your machine. If you notice, it says center on gearbox. This plate right here, okay, has a tiny bit of play in the screw hole so they can move out of position. It's very critical for the gears to align because this is an aftermarket repair. Therefore, there's a little bit of play there for the gear because of the difference in the gear for the new motor versus the old motor. But anyway, all you have to do is make sure that the plate is centered on the gearbox. As you can see, all the way around the distance, see the metal box, the gearbox, the same amount of distance all the way around. When you tighten the screws, when you mount it on your mounting plate on the machine, be sure that that is tight. And also when you tighten it, you hold the screw with a screwdriver and you tighten the nut with a wrench, okay? Make sure that you tighten it adequately, but of course it's a small screw, therefore you don't need to torque it down. You would use a small wrench anyway. But anyway, this is just something to keep in mind. We'll be sending you this video. Thank you.